How to create AI documentation. This demo will get you familiar with how to set up automated AI documentation of your Smartsheet solution. Ready? Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is establish a huddle. So, starting from your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and click the Huddles tab. As a reminder, a huddle is a collection of your Smartsheet assets, sheets, reports, and dashboards that are used to make up your Smartsheet solution. You will be redirected to your Huddles dashboard. From here, you want to click on the Add New Huddle button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll be presented with a context settings box to set up your huddle. So, first let's give our huddle a name. And let's select the primary solution type. Then, let's provide a description of the solution. This will help our AI model provide you with the best documentation possible. So, the more detailed your description, the better. Once we have that description completed, we can go ahead and click Save. We will once again be redirected to our Huddles dashboard. You'll notice that the Huddle environment that you just created is now listed here. Navigate to that environment and click Manage to set up your Huddle's assets. Your Huddle environment will be empty, so let's go ahead and add our assets by clicking Add Assets to this Huddle. Huddle connects directly to your Smartsheet environment, so all of your Smartsheet workspaces will appear under the Workspaces toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Select the workspace you would like to start tracking. Once you select your workspace, all of the assets within that workspace will be displayed under the Assets section of your screen. From here, you can select which assets you would like to track as part of your Smartsheet solution. Then click Track Selected. You will be prompted to choose which Huddle environment you would like these assets to be tracked within. Select the environment. Then click Save. Click the Huddles tab to navigate back to your newly created huddle. Great! Your huddle is now all set up. You can see we are now tracking 44 Smartsheet assets within this huddle. Now let's click the Manage button to get our AI documentation going. Once you are back in your Huddle environment, you can use the navigation menu on the top of your screen to select documentation. Within your Select Assets pane, you can see all of your Huddle's assets listed. Go ahead and select the assets you would like to create documentation for. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Generate Documentation. Once your documentation has been generated, you can edit it by clicking on the Edit button. You'll be presented with a full, rich text editor to edit your documentation. You can edit and format your documentation any way you wish. You can even add images and tables to your documentation if needed. Then, scroll back up to the top of your screen and click on Save Changes. That's all there is to it. Your AI documentation is now complete. No expensive consultants or time-consuming documentation exercises needed. And keep in mind, as you make adjustments to your Smartsheet solution, Huddle will make those same adjustments to your documentation in real time, so your documentation is always up to date. That's music to the ears of any system admin.